Want to get more out of your learning? If so, then you want to use the ReadSpeaker suite of learning tools. Click on the tab on the left to launch ReadSpeaker Web Reader. You can listen to lessons, quizzes, discussions, assignments, and more. Use the TextAid extension to read your documents. Let's listen to part of this lesson while using enlarged text.
Know your campus and resources to educational success. Resources can be physical, virtual, or human.
Proof: listen to your Word Online documents with the TextAid extension.
This is Word Online document that will guide how to lean the parts the of guitar.
Use the snapshot tool to OCR text on images, such as the following,
Tuning pegs.
or to read websites.
Choose your path.
TextAid has many tools, such as a reading ruler, a page mask, highlighting, text mode, and more. Take a few minutes to try out these tools that are a part of the many resources you have at John Wood Community College.